Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable Adobe Genuine Service Alert for Adobe product. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can open Task Manager and then you can end task this. Press Ctrl or Delete. Now open Task Manager. And then you see background process. Now you see Adobe Genuine Software Client. So you can click on it and then click on end task. Now close done. Now open services and then you see type here to search. So click on it. So you can write services. So click on it and then you see Adobe Genuine Software Monitor Service. Now you see running. Right click on it and then click on stop and then you see service stop. Again right click on it and then click on properties. So after that we are going to delete files. Now you see path. So copy this. Now you see AGMService.exe file. So you can open this path. Now you see program file. So you can copy this link and paste in Window Explorer. Now go to folder, see program file 86 and then you see common file, or you can paste path here. So it's up to you. And then you see common file we open and then you see Adobe and then you see we open Adobe and then you see Adobe GC client. Now you see file AGMService.exe. So we are going to delete it. Right click on it and then click on delete. And then you see Adobe Genuine Launcher.exe file. Right click on it and then click on delete. So after that your issue will be fixed. Now open Adobe Premiere Pro again. So you can open Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, any Adobe product. Now you see Adobe Premiere Pro open. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.